All right, today I want to show you a one-owner 79 CJ-7. How cool is that? This man has owned this Jeep for 40 years. So this is actually a pretty rare color code. It's color code 9A, which is called Alpaca Brown. As you can see, cosmetically it's going to be beautiful again. The owner entrusted us, said, look, I want you to rebuild the motor, put fuel injection on it, and do a cosmetic exterior restoration. I want to start driving it again. This is a hardtop, hard door Jeep. Of course, the doors are done and the paint's done to absolute show quality. Again, kind of a neat color. This color was only available in 79 to 80, so thank you to this owner for entrusting us to your one-owner beauty. It's neat to see a Jeep that somebody's owned for 40 years. It's about to be back on the street again. Please like, tag, share, and follow. Have a great day. All right, the 79 CJ-7, color code Alpaca Brown, is done. This was a one-owner Jeep when we brought it in. We have 3 stages of the process. We built it. This is the final product. So we did a full cosmetic exterior restoration, refurbished the hardtop, tinted the windows. Now, he wanted it to look like he had it in the 1979, the early 80s. This is very common how they looked. 4-inch suspension lift, chrome wagon wheels, 33 by 1250 by 15 BFGs. Now, we did do some updates on this Jeep. We got new seats, new center console, stereo, Bluetooth, CD, Alpine speakers, tack, clock, and then mechanical-wise, again, he wants to start driving this. He drove it a lot back in the day. He wants to start using it almost daily, so we went ahead and went with HAL fuel injection, HEI distributor, fully rebuilt the motor. What else is neat about this Jeep is there's a special order automatic, which is pretty rare, and it's power steering, power brakes. So there you have it. We saved another CJ. It's back on the road. Hopefully this guy will drive it for another 40 years. Thanks for watching. Please like, tag, share, and follow. And remember, if you want your 76 to 86 Jeep CJ done and done right, send it to Collins Brothers.